Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we've got the Land Rover Defender 110 XS. It's got them big boy shoes, 23-inch wheels.
Yeah, it's quite spacious, isn't it?
Yeah. I've got a big dog. It's a stone dog. So I've got steps that he jumps up in the back.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. That's what I've got. It's my work car. I've got a 911.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Defender has really grown on me since its launch. Its capabilities and charm have won me over. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.